Hey traders, welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏's weekly Forex forecast. We hope all of you had a great trading week, and even if not, I want you to keep watching till the end because as usual, a lot of tips will be covered and those tips will help you with your trading. Guys, since the past 3 months, we are getting a lot of emails from people asking about our next course. So all of you who are interested, we are officially accepting payments for our November course. All the details are on our website, course page, where you can see our pictures for the first time since the start of We Trade Waves. Everything will be on this page. You can find the link in the description under this video. These are some of our members' testimonials and their success stories with the proof. You can watch all of them. And these are some pictures we have taken from our Slack group. We always say to everyone out there, if you are looking for a decent mentor, do not look at their progress. Look at their students' progress to make the right decision. In this part, you can find all the modules that we will cover in the course. And if you have any questions, read this FAQs. You might find all your answers here in this part. If you still have any more questions, send us an email and one of our team members will get back to you as soon as possible. DXY, for this one, market went up. We said last week we are expecting market to go up for another drop. Well, market went up and this wave, it was sharp. After this up move, market started to give us a corrective structure. Now, if any one of you is in the sell, you must be in profits. And if that's the case, I want you to move your stops to break even as soon as possible. Why? With this sharp up wave and this corrective structure, we can see DXY pushing up again to break this top and this top one more time. Alright guys, market is at the same level as last week. But this is a known pattern to us, and most of the times, when market will give us this structure, the next wave, it will be to the upside. Most of the times. So what next for DXY? We are expecting market to move up. It's entirely up to you if you wanna go for this buy. Some of us might go for this up wave, but we will definitely look for sell setups once structure is ready. Remember this, it's not fighting the trend, it's understanding market structures and the patterns that might unfold. Now taking decision if you wanna go for the buy is up to you. Now those of you who are new to We Trade Waves channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Euro dollar for this one, we were waiting market to correct downwards to go for buy setups. And we said even if market will go down to break this low, we will look for buy setups only. Do you remember that? Market went down, we did not get in the sell, and some of us started to buy. This is an uptrend in lower time frames, but this uptrend, it might be a simple corrective structure for another drop. So again, and one more time, if market will be going down to break this low, we will look for buy setups again. If anyone of you wanna go for this sell, it's up to you. For us, we will ignore it. Some of you might be asking now, Alan, this is a clear downtrend. Why you would look for buy setups here? Remember guys, we took this sell and we've made money here in this down wave.
Like I said to you earlier, we are still bearish on euro dollar. If you are looking any sell setup we get from this one, we'll look for a sell setup. We'll hold on to this one. This thing is going to go to 70 level somewhere here. And then after that, we'll check the price action from that side. Every time from these levels, market is going to give us a sell setup, we are taking it. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm personally taking it from in my account and all the investors' accounts, because this thing needs to fall. The way it is moving to the upside, this is telling me that all the retail traders, they are trying to capture. Okay, and you will see that when this will fall, you might not get a chance to get in.
Understanding wave analysis and market structures will give you an edge. And this edge will help you to identify the reversal and go with the next trend. Let me repeat this. Once you master wave analysis and market structure, you will be able to identify the reversal and go with the next trend. So even if you are a trend follower or you would like to trade reversals, wave analysis will help you. Not only that, Euro-dollar usually give ending structures before the next move. Check your chart and you will see it by yourself. Or else, T will show you few examples on Sunday session.
What's up, everyone? My name is Gerald. I'm from Florida, here in the US. I've been a member with the 𝗍 community since November 2020. And since joining, my trading has significantly improved from a break-even trader to becoming a consistently profitable trader. In fact, since I've joined, within the first month, I made 3 times my initial course investment in trading. The methodology that our mentors, T and Alan, teach us is very powerful. It's a complete course and system, inclusive of a psychology component, constant support, also a Slack group full of positive energy where members post charts, trade setups, and also trading room sessions. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level and tired of being unsuccessful in your trading journey, I highly recommend that you join this community. You won't regret it. I'll see you in the group. Cheers.
Pound dollar, for this one, market went up. After this up wave, we are expecting market to drop next week. This drop, guys, it might be only to complete a corrective structure for another up wave, or this will be an impulsive move, and once market will reach this level, we will update you. At the moment, the bias is towards the downside. Aussie dollar for this one, I hope all of you guys remember this down wave from here to here. Last week, we said guys we are expecting market to drop. We've got this drop, corrective structure, we've got some news here, and then market dropped. So if you are a scalper, you must have made decent profits in this down wave. If not, you must end up with small win or break even. Now even if you get a small loss, which shouldn't be the case here, it's also fine. But if you are getting any other outcome, there is something wrong. Now what next? With this structure, we can see Aussie dollar falling again. So if we get a sell setup next week, we will go for the sell setup. If market shows us any sign of change of structure, we will update you during the midweek review email or on our next video. At the moment, we are biased to the downside for Aussie dollar. Dorian, for this one, market didn't move as expected, and we are claiming it. And you know us, when we are wrong, we claim it. We were expecting yen pairs to move down, all of them went up. Now, if any one of you get in the sell, this should be a small loss. If you are trading without stop loss, or even if you are adding to losing positions, there is something wrong. You really need to learn how to trade correctly. Remember guys, you have 2 decisions. Either you keep losing or you decide to invest in yourself and learn how to trade correctly. I am not saying that you should take our course. It's up to you to take decision if you want to join us and learn from us. I want you to learn how to trade correctly and don't be most traders. Anyway, for dollar yen, the next wave is towards the downside. Our bias hasn't changed and we will look for sell setups next week. New Zealand dollar for this one, market went down. So if you get in this sell, we hope you made decent profits with this down move. What next? Looks like market is correcting for another drop. After this drop, we will be looking for our buy setups again. So next for New Zealand dollar, a down wave and then another up move. This is how we see market will behave next. Now here's a tip for you. Once you click a trade, Do not expect market to move 400, 500 pips in 1 hour. It's very important as a forex trader to understand the timing. And this topic, guys, is very important. Understanding the timing will help you a lot to take decision at the right time. So knowing how to read the charts correctly, knowing the timings, and knowing how to trade correctly, this combination, guys, is very powerful. Pound yen for this one, we hope all of you remember those 3 waves. And this was posted on all our social media platforms. So I want you guys to follow us on TradingView, Instagram, Telegram, and Facebook. Last week, we said we are expecting market to drop again. And we said this wave, it might be dangerous. Regardless, we were wrong in this forecast. We were expecting market to drop, market went in, it gave us a small corrective structure, it went back up. We've got another drop and then another push up. The structure here started to be complex. So if you made money here, in this down wave, and you lost all your money here in this up move, there is something wrong. This is why, guys, having the right mindset will help you a lot. And the fast and best way to build the right mindset is to be with like-minded people who have the passion to become successful traders. What next? For this one, we can see market correcting downwards for another push up. So for now, we might leave it. If we see a great sell setup, we might go for the sell setup. For now, we will leave it. Yes, all for this one, we've got a break even here. We get in this sell and the market is going up again and we broke the top. This sort of structure and patterns is telling us that US oil will be falling hard. So we are going to sell every single time market gives us a sell setup. As simple as that. Now I am repeating this over and over again, but this is very important, guys, because with these simple 4 rules, we can save you from losing your account. Our 4 golden rules. Do not trade without stop loss. Do not jump in. Do not overtrade and overrisk. Never ever add to a losing position. Only those 4 simple rules. Follow them and you will see the results. Now some of you guys, they know that they should apply them, but they cannot. Why? Psychology. And psychology, guys, is a big part in forex trading. This is why we have a special module for psychology. We have exclusive trading tips that are only shared inside our private group, and we have members who are masters in psychology. And they will give sessions in the future about how to master your psychology. So can you start to see, guys, the power of the system? Gold for this one, market went up. A lot of you got in this buy here, and the market gave us a corrective structure, another push up. What next? For gold, the next wave now is toward the downside. And this down wave, it might stop here or under this low. At the moment, we need to see this wave going down to here, and then we will update you. So the next wave for gold is toward the downside. This is for short term. For medium and long term, we can see gold moving up. It's up to you if you want to go for the sell or you want to wait the buy setup. Dollar CAD, I mean for this one, guys, from here we said market will drop and it will hit 1.25 levels. Do you remember that? Especially our Sunday session members. T mentioned more than once 1.25 level will get hit, and that's the market in front of you. What next? For dollar CAD, anytime market can start to correct upwards. So we are expecting market to give us a corrective structure similar to this one. Silver, for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. What next? We can see market crawling down, and then we'll update you later on. This down wave, it might be impulsive to break this low one more time. At the moment, we can see it going down to here, and then we'll update you. Alright, guys? Bitcoin, this is crazy. I really hope, guys, most of you get in this buy and are making money with this up wave. I will not repeat the story, but you know when everybody was expecting Bitcoin to fall under 20, we said, guys, Bitcoin is going up. And we hope all of you who took our special crypto session are making money now. What next? Corrective structure, another push up. The next level is 60. After that, we will update you. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.